So just taking a quick look at Vechain then on our daily time frame here for another daily update on the channel. As we can see, looking like we came down to the bottom of this range, consolidated, and then Bitcoin dragging us back to the upside along with the rest of the altcoin space. Bitcoin extremely bullish this week, as you can see, basically 12k in gains in terms of money for Bitcoin this week. Pretty insane. Came down here into this 108k area, now back up at 100 excuse me, now back up here at 120k here, as you can see. Looking really bullish this week, ripping through all of these fair value gaps here that were holding down price last week, liquidating all the people that were piling into shorts for Bitcoin. As you can see, we had a liquidation event the week before, didn't we, as well? We had that grind to the upside, liquidating all these people here that were getting into longs. We come down after liquidating all this trend line liquidity, came back up for Bitcoin. Massive pump here and looking extremely bullish, looking like it just wants to keep continuing, to be honest. As you can see here, Bitcoin looking really good, to be honest, for some more continuation to the upside. And as a result, we can see Vechain has been getting somewhat of a bounce off of the lows, although really struggling in the altcoin space in comparison to Bitcoin's price action. Bitcoin has been absolutely moving up in a big way, whereas you can see if you look across the altcoin space, not many cryptos have actually been moving up anywhere close to the gains that Bitcoin's making right now. Bitcoin looking extremely strong, while the altcoin space, even though the basket itself looks pretty good here for a new all-time high. Even Ethereum here, I suppose you could argue Ethereum looks pretty strong, to be fair, but the vast majority of cryptos apart from Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, they're all looking a bit weak, to be honest. You can see here they're not really bouncing like you would expect, and obviously Vechain has been showing a lot of weakness for a while. Every time that Bitcoin bounces, it doesn't really move up at all. You can see though we've got some pretty key and obvious liquidity targets above. Vechain recently has really been just coming into this very tight range here, as you can see, and I think it's probably due to the fact that there's probably low interest in the crypto right now and in altcoins in general. You can see Vechain, after the Trump pump, we came down into the tariff dump. We formed the high and the low of this range for the tariff range, and then since then we've basically just come into this tighter range over the summer, and we're probably looking for a big breakout in either direction. There's probably quite a lot of liquidity building up on either sides of this area now, and I'd probably expect, with the market looking like it's going to continue bullish, we'd probably could see ourselves ripping through some of these areas of liquidity. You can see we've got this very obvious trend line resistance here, and also this range, both of which I think could get broken up towards this 3.3 cent level again, which is the tariff high range. I do think that the altcoin market is about to wake up with an altcoin season soon. We have got the altcoin basket almost at all-time highs again here, and I do think that's going to start dragging the sentiment up for altcoins. I think Dogecoin and a lot of other cryptos here look poised for a move to the upside, so it'll be interesting to see what happens with Vechain over the next few weeks. But right now, still looking a bit weak. As always, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.